So guys, today we are going to be dealing on addition and subtraction of fraction. For the past 2 days, we have been doing addition of fraction and subtraction of fractions. But sometimes in one question, we can have a combination of both. That means we can have up to like 3 fractions or 4 fractions or 5, as many fractions as possible. And we'll be told to find adding and subtracting in between all of them. For instance, here we have 2 whole number 2 over 3 plus 4 over 7 minus 1 whole number 6 over 3. In the second question, we have 4 whole number 3 over 5 minus 5 over 2 plus 1 whole number 1 over 3. Now, the steps are the same. Is that okay? If you can remember the steps I taught you on how to solve for addition and subtraction of fraction, there are 3 things. The first thing is that you have to change the mixed numbers to improper fraction. The second thing you have to do is you have to bring together the fractions using their LCM, the LCM of the denominator. And the third thing you have to do is that you are going to simplify the fractions. So if we apply those 3 steps for the first one, that means let's change this to the improper fraction format. 3 times 2. Now, I know we must have known how to do this very fast. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So I have 8 over 3 here. Plus, here I have 4 over 7. And here I have 7 times 1 is 7, right? 7 plus 6 is 13. So I have minus 13 over 7. Is that okay? So having done that, the second thing I have to do is that I'm going to find my LCM of denominator, and I'll make that my new denominator. So my new denominator is going to find LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Is that okay? So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to bring together these fractions. How am I going to bring it together? 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 times 8 is 56. I'll add my plus. 7 divided by 21 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12, right? Then I'll add my minus. 7 divided by 21 is 3. 3 times 13 is something as 39. I hope we are following. So it's just the same thing. Just putting your plus and your minus where they are. So after doing that, we can now add together. So I'll have that. Okay, let me add these 2 first. I have that 2 plus 6 is 8, or 6 plus 2 is 8. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. Remember, I have my 21 minus 39, right? So going further, this will give me 8 minus 9 cannot go. So I make it 18 minus 9 will give me 9, right? Remaining 5 here. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 3 will give me 2. So I have 29 over 21. Now, this 29 over 21 is the same thing as 1 whole number. What is left here after 21? Is left 8, right? 8 over 21. This is my answer. Remember, if you leave it like this, you are not also wrong. But in mixed number format, this is my answer. If I want to change this to mixed number again, it's the same thing as saying 21 times 1, 21 plus 8, 29 over 21. So it's exactly the same thing. Now, coming over to the example 2, let's do exactly what we did at the first time. We change this to improper fraction. We change all of them to improper fraction. So this one will give me 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23 over 5 minus, that is already in improper fraction, right? So I just bring it down. Now plus 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4 over 3. So having changed it to all improper fraction format, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring them together to using the LCM of the denominator. Now I have the 5, 2, and 3 as my denominator. What is their LCM? Their LCM is the same thing as 30. Is that okay? It's 30. So what am I going to do next? I'm going to say 30 divided by 5 will give me 6. 6 times 23. 6 times 3 is 18. I'll carry 1. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus that one, I have 138. 30 divided by this will give me 15. 15 times 5. Remember, I have my minus. It give me 75. Then 30 divided by 4 is 10. By 3 is 10. 10 times 4 is plus 40. Let me go over it again. 30 divided by 3 will give me 10. 10 times 4 is 40. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to try to, that's the last step to simplify this. Is that okay? So simplifying this, let me first do this. I have 8 minus 5 will give me 3. Remember, I have my over 30. 3, right? Then 13 minus 7 will give me 6 plus 40 all over 30. This will give me the same thing as 103 over 30. 103 over 30 is the same thing as 3 whole number. 3 times 30 is 90. What is left here is 13, right? 13 is left. So I have 13 over 30. If I change this to improper fraction, I'll come back to this. So this is how to do your addition and subtraction of fractions. So I think by this time, if you ever have any question that has to do with addition and subtraction of fractions, you really don't have any problem at all. Is that okay? One of the things I would like you to do after this class is that when you get to school tomorrow, try to explain this concept to one of your classmates, how to add and subtract fractions. Is that okay? See you tomorrow and ensure you do your assignment.